All right, guys, so on this video, as promised, I'm going to show you how to connect your leads coming from Meta lead gen forms to your GoHighLevel account. It's super simple, and this is such an easy path if you've been using Zapier or you dread Zapier and you don't want to touch that, or make.com. So this is very straightforward. So as you saw in the past video, we were running ads that look like this. So this was the ad. By the way, this was a great ad. It was just the testing one. What I was offering here was to run people's ads for free until they get their first paying clients, high ticket clients. So it was a great offer. I was just testing it out because I know that you're not gonna get the best people. You're gonna get the people that are just there for the free ads. It's a good offer, but at the same time, you have the risk to be spending time on calls and doing a lot of work for free. If you're starting fresh, I think it's good. You can get some testimonials, some reviews, and if you stand by that request to your client, and they actually give you a great testimonial or video testimonials, whatever you want to make it, it could be great for your business down the line. So it could be a strategy to get people in terms of this type of offer. But specifically for this video, I'm just going to show you how to connect these leads to your GoHighLevel account. Now, a big caveat besides what you see on the screen right now is that this particular ad was running under the conversion event called website conversion. So people that schedule a call in the calendar. It's different than Facebook lead gen forms. So just for you to understand this, it's the same thing, the same setup besides this conversion event. The only thing that changed is where are we sending the leads? Are they booking directly on the calendar, which most likely, as you see here, it cost me $21 per website schedule. The lead gen forms most likely will not cost you as much, but it's the same ad, the same campaign structure, the same budget, daily budget. As you see, I think on the other video I put $50 per day, but you get the point. Afterwards, you can look at what type of lead you're getting, because sometimes when you don't put a lot of money, you will get the cheapest leads, and sometimes the cheapest leads are not the best leads and the best clients. So that aside, when you connect, let's say your form is connected, and I think I didn't do it on this particular one. So instead of doing this, you will add a form, right? And we created that on the past video. But afterwards, if I refresh this, these lead gen forms, so those forms, or the data that those forms collect, they need to go somewhere. Now, if you don't do anything about it, you're gonna have a way to download those leads, but of course that's not best practice, because hey, when it comes to lead generation, you want to act fast on those leads within an hour, 2 hours, 5 hours tops, but don't waste more than a few hours, if not even an hour, because those leads are gonna die if you reach out to them after a day, 2 days, and it just gets worse. It's just a proven metric. It's not just me. So test what you have to test, but I'm telling you, you need to reach out to those people fast. If it's not you, it's an appointment setter. And if it's not an appointment setter, at least to have a sequence that reach out to them and send them valuable content, for example, or send them to your YouTube to make sure that they present themselves on the call. So there's many strategies afterwards that we can implement, but specifically for this video, I'm just going to show you how to connect those leads. So if you're on your dashboard, the first thing you'll need to hit is going to the right ad account, not ad account, but sub account, of course, and click on settings. On settings, you will find integration right here. You click on integration, and you will see, actually they rearranged this, which is great because it used to look like shit. Sorry, GHL, but it's just true. All right, so you will have your Facebook. Oh, it's great. Sincerely, guys, I have a surprise here because it hasn't been arranged and modernized in a while, and I'm very happy to see this. So as you see here, there's many integration, you know, Google Calendar and all this good stuff. And of course, you will see Facebook here, which is your Facebook page. So you click on Manage, and it will ask you to connect the actual, it will ask you to connect the right page. So let it load because it seems to be a little bit buggy. And you'll see the pages that your Facebook, wow, what's going on here? Your Facebook profile is linked to. So hopefully we're gonna get a hold of this because it seems to be jumpy. So in this case, I will choose the Quantum Lead Marketing. It's already TikTok. Update and continue. It's gonna give you a great message telling you that you need to, this step is necessary to successfully sync the links. You need to map out, yeah. So basically what we need to do, besides after connecting this page, or the page you will be running the ads from, in this case was, I think, my personal page. It's Quantum Lead Marketing. If I go to the actual ad, so it's the Facebook page, Rodrigo Paez, and I am Rod Paez. So the page is wrong. So I'll do this later. Let me just confirm. So you do the same exact steps. So I will find Rodrigo. Oops, I don't know what's going on. So let's find Rodrigo. Let's take off Quantum Lead Marketing and let's do update and continue. You'll have the same message. Then it's going to ask you to configure the field mapping, which is what's necessary afterwards. It's great that they added this because this was not there. This step that you are required to do to get those leads in your CRM is necessary. So let's click on configure field maps. And you will usually see, let's see here. Okay, so there it is. You will see if you created the ad or you went to your page and you created the form, you will see the actual form name here, the two forms with the form name and the status, and you can map the fields. All right, so let me just click out of this because you can do this here, but if you skip that step and you just connect to the page, you can go back to integration. Let me see here. Let me see. Integration. Yeah, they removed it. So I guess they added here. It was right here on top. Let me just go back for a second. Sorry, guys. Let's go to marketing. Yeah, it seems like they removed it. Okay, so they did add it to that part only, which is a great thing because it used to be right here. There was LinkedIn, Meta, and another platform. So it's great that they added here. So you can click on the three little dots here or click manage, do the same thing, and then click on field mapping. So click on form field mapping, the right page, map the fields. And here is basically just matching the field to the CRM field. So the form field to the CRM field. So in this case, automatically detects that phone number is there, email, last name, first name. And there's another question that I ask in the form, pre-qualifying people. You can add as many questions as you, I think it's 5 tops, but to qualify people, you need to add at least 1-2 questions. So in this case, we add 1, making sure that people were making above 10,000 per month because my service is not just for new people. So you can add it here and you will have it in here. Usually when you create this in your GoHighLevel, you can add it as a custom field and you can map it after, right? As well. So let's confirm that. Let's save. And right now it's connected. So everybody that gets that fills that form will be sent to my CRM with all the contacts and if you have an automation, you will most likely have them in the automation as well. The only thing, make sure, and this is like added bonus that I'm giving you, it's not like something crazy, but if you run anything on GoHighLevel, you know that you need a trigger to start an automation, and that trigger in this case will be the form being submitted. So in this case, this one. But if it's a form on the website, it's going to be this option. If not, like you just saw, most likely Facebook lead form submitted is the right one. So in this case, you will just click Facebook lead form submitted. You can change the name if you want. Make sure that you have the right page, and then select the right form. Let's say it's this one. Save the trigger and save it. I'm gonna save it here because it wasn't the right automation. It's just for an example, but that's basically it. So all your leads will be sent to GoHighLevel without passing through Zapier or any other automation like Make. It's super easy. The key here is to not only create ads, not only have the strategy, but make sure that you reach out to those leads efficiently, meaning quick and with the right message in the right time frame. So that's it for this video. As promised, I wanted to show you how to, yes, prepare the lead gen form campaign in video number 1, but on video number 2 to show you how to connect those leads to your CRM, in this case GoHighLevel, which is super efficient, super cheap. And if you need, by the way, a link to support me, I can send you my referral. If not, just go to GoHighLevel and have a blast. All right, take care.